I spent weeks testing over 50 AI tools. Free ones, paid ones, hyped ones, hidden ones. And what I found genuinely surprised me, because some of the most powerful AI tools available in 2026 cost absolutely nothing. Not watered down, barely functional free tiers. Actually useful, genuinely powerful tools that can save you hours every week, replace software you are currently paying for, and in some cases directly help you generate income. All completely free. The AI industry has a marketing problem. The tools that spend the most on advertising get the most attention, but the tools that provide the most value per pound spent, which in this case is £0, get almost no coverage at all. In this video, I am going to change that. Here are the best completely free AI tools of 2026 that almost nobody is talking about, and exactly what you can use each one for. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. Subscribe if you have not already. Every week, we cover the strategies and tools that are actually working for people in the UK right now. A quick note before we start. Every single tool in this video has a genuinely useful free tier, meaning you can start using it today with no credit card required. I will mention where paid upgrades exist, but everything covered works at the free level. Let us get into it. The first tool is Claude, made by Anthropic, and it is the tool I consider the most underrated free AI in 2026. Most people have heard of ChatGPT. Far fewer have tried Claude. And that gap in awareness is a genuine advantage for anyone who discovers it early. Claude's free tier gives you access to one of the most capable AI models available for writing, analysis, research, and content creation. Where Claude genuinely outperforms the competition on the free tier is in writing quality. The output reads like it was written by a thoughtful human, not generated by a machine. For anyone creating content, writing copy, drafting emails, or building scripts, the free version of Claude is extraordinary. Wealth AI uses Claude to write every script, every SEO description, and every piece of content strategy on this channel. The tool is available at Claude.ai, completely free to start. Canva needs almost no introduction, but the depth of what the free tier actually includes in 2026 is significantly underestimated. The free version of Canva gives you access to thousands of templates, a full design suite, background removal, basic AI image generation, and the ability to create professional graphics, presentations, social media content, and YouTube thumbnails at no cost. For anyone building a content channel, a side hustle, or a small business, Canva Free eliminates the need for expensive design software entirely. The Wealth AI thumbnails are built in Canva. The channel banner was built in Canva. Every piece of branded visual content, Canva. And the free tier handles all of it. Available at canva.com. Opus Clip is the tool that turns long videos into short-form clips automatically, and the free plan allows you to process a limited number of videos per month at no cost. For anyone creating content on YouTube and wanting to repurpose that content for Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, Opus Clip is the most time-efficient tool available. You paste your YouTube video link into Opus Clip. The AI watches the entire video, identifies the most engaging moments, cuts them into perfectly formatted short clips, adds animated captions, and delivers them ready to post. What would take hours of manual editing takes minutes. The free plan is limited, but more than sufficient for testing the workflow and producing clips from your best-performing videos. Available at opus.pro. ElevenLabs produces the most realistic AI voices available anywhere in 2026. And the free tier gives you 10,000 characters of voice generation per month. That is enough to narrate a short video, produce a podcast episode, or create professional voiceover for client work every single month at no cost. The practical income application is significant. Freelancers are using ElevenLabs' free tier to offer voiceover services on Fiverr, creating professional narration for client videos, e-learning modules, and explainer content without any recording equipment. The free monthly allowance handles light freelance work entirely. For higher volume, the paid plan starts at just $5 per month. Available at ElevenLabs.io. Notion's free plan is one of the most generous in the AI productivity space. You get unlimited pages, unlimited blocks, basic AI writing assistance, and the ability to build fully functional databases, project trackers, content calendars, and personal finance systems, all at no cost. Building Notion templates, pre-designed workspaces for specific use cases, and selling them on Gumroad and Etsy is a genuine passive income model that requires zero upfront software investment. You build the template in Notion free, list it for sale, and earn every time someone buys. The top Notion template creators generate thousands of pounds per month from products built entirely on the free plan. Available at notion.so. Google Gemini's free tier deserves a mention specifically for one capability that no other free AI tool matches: real-time internet access. While most free AI tools have a knowledge cutoff date, Gemini Free connects directly to Google Search and can pull current information, recent news, live prices, and up-to-date research in real time. For content creators covering finance, technology, or any fast-moving topic, this real-time capability is genuinely valuable. Use Gemini Free for research and current information gathering. Use Claude Free for turning that research into high-quality written content. The two tools working together, both completely free, create a research and content workflow that rivals what professional content teams use. Available at gemini.google.com. 6 genuinely powerful free AI tools. Claude for writing and content creation. Canva for design and visual content. Opus Clip for video repurposing. ElevenLabs for professional voice generation. Notion for productivity and passive income through templates. And Gemini for real-time research. The total monthly cost of using all 6 of these tools at their free tier, £0. The value they deliver in time saved, content produced, and income opportunities created, significant. Stop paying for tools you do not need. Start with free. Upgrade only when the income those tools generate justifies the investment. That is the smart approach to building an AI-powered income in 2026. All 6 tools are linked in the description below. Every single one is free to start today with no card required. Hit the like button if this video saved you money. It helps Wealth AI reach more people. Subscribe because next week on the finance side, we are covering how to pay off debt fast in the UK using the exact method that actually works. That one is going to be powerful. Drop a comment below. Which of these 6 free tools are you going to try first? I read every single comment. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning.